How to delete Discord account. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to delete a Discord account on PC or mobile. This should be a quick video since it is easy. So if it helps, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. I have here my Discord now open and we are going to delete this account. To do that, let's go to the settings, scroll down here and you will see disable or delete account. If I click delete account here, it will not let me since I have a server that I own. So first, I have to transfer the ownership of the server or just delete the server. To do that, go to the server and click here to open the server settings. Scroll down in here and open member. Select here the settings for a member and click on transfer ownership. It will require a verification code sent to your email. If you have transferred the ownership, you can go back to the settings and delete the account again. Another thing that you can do is delete the server you own right here. For confirmation, you just have to input here the server name. Let's go back to the settings and delete this account. It will require to enter your password. And now the account is deleted. So in mobile, it is pretty much the same thing. Go to your settings and select delete account. But if you have servers that you own, you first have to transfer ownership or delete the server. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. So once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.